In this video, I will show you how to transform your team communications by using Claude to automate complex workflows right inside Slack. Many professionals struggle with manual data entry or missing important updates in busy channels, but you can solve this by syncing these two powerful tools. To begin your setup, navigate to the Claude interface and look for the plus icon located directly inside the chat bar. Clicking this icon opens up the integration settings where you will find various connection options. Locate the Slack switch and toggle it to the on position. This simple action links your workspace and allows Claude to listen for specific events within your channels. Once the connection is active, you need to provide a precise prompt to define how the automation should behave. Think of this as giving a specific set of instructions to a virtual assistant who never sleeps. You should type a command that tells the AI exactly what to look for and where to send the results. For example, you can tell it to monitor a specific channel name for any messages containing a particular trigger word or phrase. You should also define the formatting rules by asking the AI to extract the core request from the original message and reformat it into a standard task layout. This ensures that every update is clean and actionable. To finish the command, specify that it should post this formatted summary to your chosen target channel. After you have refined your prompt, your final step is to deploy the automation. Claude will now work in the background, scanning for your triggers and handling the documentation work for you automatically. This setup replaces hours of manual copying and pasting with a streamlined system that keeps your entire team on the same page without any extra effort on your part. Thank you for watching this guide on automating Slack with Claude.